Good morning to the all dear guests, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Nazmin Khanam Javed Khan. I am in standard 8. My school name is Anglo Urdu High School and Junior College Nandurbar. Today I would like to share my thoughts on importance of education. Education is man's best friend. It is a tool which helps to simplify a lot of tough tasks in our life. A educated person is respected everywhere. Today, education is required in all fields of life. It is important to be well educated if one aims to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, soldier, or hold any such respectful position. Good education is helps to develop overall personality of a person. It helps to improve the status of mind, body, and spirit. Education helps us to take right decisions. It is the key to success in personal and professional life. It makes us smart enough to learn how to live happy life and handle tough situations. Nowadays, getting education has become easier because of the internet. We can gain lot of knowledge through the articles and videos posted on net. Education helps us to stay healthy, earn money, increase our agricultural production, promote peace, develop our nation, and in many other ways. I would like to mention the words of the great political leader, Mr. Nelson Mandela, that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We can certainly use education as a weapon to reduce the issues of terrorism, inequality, gender discrimination, discrimination based on colors, and in many such issues. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.